Hey, in this video, we are doing a review of Kartra and a little bit of a walk around video. So you can see how Kartra is an all-in-one software, a program that will really help your business to thrive. So going to go through a couple different things in here, show you how it works, give you a behind the scenes look on the back end of Kartra, and that way you'll be able to decide if it's a good fit for you. All right, so this is the back end of Kartra. As you can see, you've got all these different tabs to the left, and then whenever you click one of these, it pops up whatever you're wanting to work on. So one of the first things that you can actually make money with Kartra, or save money with, I'm going to show you that in a minute too, is by creating your own digital products. And what you can do here is, this first one is something I sold a long time ago. You see no sales or anything right now, but I created an ebook, and you can create landing pages, you can create all these different things and integrate them into one, and that enables you to sell different digital products online. So if you're wanting to make some money while you sleep and sell some digital products, Kartra will enable you to do that. Now, another thing is this right here. It's an emergency medical aid class that we put together. This is a live class. I have a small farm, and we created this class for a physical class you can actually go to, and we wound up selling tickets to that. So we created it and integrated it, created a landing page and all these things, and then had people actually come to a live event. So that's another thing that you can do here. So digital, you can sell digital products, or you can even sell tickets to live events. Now, another thing that you can do with Kartra is you can get rid of whatever your old email software is. If you're using something like Aweber or MailChimp or Constant Contact, whatever, you can get rid of those, stop paying for those, and you can send your emails through Kartra. Now, you can, this is the My Communications tab over here. You've got your analytics. You can check all your broadcasts, your sequences, your leads. You've got all these different things that you can do with these platforms. And again, it's all integrated. So when you send out an email, it's all connected, and you can connect pages, you can connect opt-in forms, all of these things. And you don't have to go connect Kartra with MailChimp or integrate all these different programs to make things work. They're already connected, and they're already integrated and working together. And then again, like I said, you can save money not paying for these other platforms. So Kartra winds up paying for itself. All right, over here on the My Pages tab, this is where your landing pages come in. So think of something like a ClickFunnels or a Lead Pages. You can get rid of those platforms. You don't have to pay for those. Now, ClickFunnels 2.0 was launched not too long ago, and their basic plan, I believe, starts at like $127 a month. So they have some other bells and whistles and neat things too. But again, that's a third-party software that you have to integrate your email with and all these other things with. Again, if you went with a program like Kartra, it's all integrated, and you don't have to go connecting these other things. Here's a really quick example of one of the landing pages that I built for that live class that I mentioned before. It has a countdown timer. It has all these other things that you're going to see on any landing page that you have. This page worked really well. It integrated well. It took payments well. So if you're looking to build any kind of, or use any kind of landing page software, then Kartra is going to be the way to go. Okay, I'm going to show you two additional ways that Kartra can help either make you some money or save you some money with your business. And if you are interested at this point in trying Kartra for only $1, you can do that by clicking on the link. I've put a link at the top of the comment section in a pinned post, and I've also put it in the description. You can find it there, and you can go over there and try Kartra out. But let's go ahead and get on to the additional ways Kartra can help save you money. All right, so next up, you're going to see over here my memberships. Kartra enables you, if you want to have a membership program. I don't have one of these personally, but I have a client that's utilizing one of these right now, and you can create your own back-end membership. So you can give people access. If they purchase a monthly membership, they can have access to that. You can add content, you can add other things in there, and have a membership portal for your own business. So that is a really strong one. The next thing is my videos. Now, I don't know if this is true. I've been told that Kartra actually hosts their content through Wistia. The platform looks a lot like Wistia. If you're not familiar with it, Wistia a video hosting platform, kind of like YouTube, but without the ads. And it looks very similar. I'm not sure if that's true or not, but you can host, tons and tons and tons and tons of videos in here, and it is all hosted in Kartra, so you're not having to worry about paying a third-party program for that. Again, since everything is hosted here, when you go to create a landing page or an opt-in page, whatever, when you go to add a video, it's already hosted in there. So you're not having to go and grab videos and embed them and have them wait to load and slow down your load times. Everything is all working seamlessly together. So that is a really powerful one if you're using any video. And if you're in the marketing, or you have a marketing world, or have a business, you need to be using video. Another way it could help your business is if you use any kind of calendar scheduling. Now, I haven't used this for a long time, so I have it turned off, but I actually am going to start integrating this for my business again to do more one-on-one coaching with people. But if you use anything like a Calendly or other online scheduling platforms, this is a way that you can set all this so that people can actually schedule meetings and things with you. They can schedule those online. And again, that's going to save you some more money because it's one more thing you're not having to pay for. Next up is we have My Surveys. If you're familiar with something like MailChimp, this is going to be an alternative to that. And it's going to allow you to send, as you see, surveys and quizzes out to your audience so you can gather that information, have them plug information and data in so that you can collect or utilize for whatever you're going to need that for. Finally, there's an option over here to have an affiliate link. Kartra has an affiliate program. So if you got Kartra, you liked it, and you want to share that with friends or people who are interested, you can make some money doing that. Let me show you one other thing. If you're using a lot of different platforms, Kartra is going to save you a bunch of money, as I mentioned. So let's go over here to Wistia. This is Wistia's pricing. So if you're just doing the plus membership, because the free is pretty much junk, this is $19 a month that you would be spending to just host video itself. Looking to a membership type of program, this is a website I found called Personify, and the first year's cost they have right here just at $11.66 just for their program. And here's some others you can kind of research themselves. So you're starting to see how this stacks up. MailChimp, $17 is where they start off. I'm sorry, $11 is where they start off. You can get the free one, but you're really limited. You can't do automations and other things. So Essentials is really where you need to start off. Again, that's $11 a month. ClickFunnels, I think I mentioned that one earlier, $127 for their basic package. And a lot of these, the basics are kind of their starter, the kind of the junkier ones. And that's $127 a month. There are a lot of platforms here that you're paying monthly for that Kartra is going to replace, and you're not going to have to do any of that. So clients of mine will actually go to a program like Kartra, and they're going to just cut off, $17 a month here. They're going to cut off $11 a month there. They're going to cut off $100 here. So again, it just gets rid of a lot of other expenses and can wind up paying for itself. I hope that video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave those in the comment section below. And if you are interested in trying out Kartra for only $1, you can find the link at the top of the comment section in a pinned post or in the description of the video itself. That is an affiliate link. It does help me out and help the channel to be able to keep creating videos like this. I wish you the best, and I'll see you on the next video.